Hello friends, Learn with Fun bring another interesting trick for you. In this video we learn the squaring of the number. So first part of the video will cover the squaring of 1 to 20, 40 to 60 and squaring of numbers where 5 at a unit place, and also learn the amazing fact and vocabulary. And second part of the video will cover the squaring of numbers 20 to 40, 60 to 90 and squaring of 90 to 110. So we will start. What is the meaning of square? So when you multiply same number like 1 into 1, that is 1. So how can you write the square? 1 power 2 is equal to 1. So square of 1 is 1. So go. Next one is square of 2, means you have to multiply 2 into 2, that is 4. So squaring of 2 is 4. So same like other numbers like 3 square, 3 into 3 is 9. So squaring of 3 is 9. So same squaring of 4, 4 into 4 is 16. Squaring of 5, 5 into 5 is 25. Squaring of 6, 6 into 6 is 36. 7 into 7 is 49. Squaring of 7 is a 49. 8 into 8 is 64. So squaring of 8 is a 64. 9 into 9 is 81. So squaring of 9 is 81. So you have to do these squaring before going further. Now second part is squaring of 11 to 20. How can you solve? 11 square means 11 into 11. How can you solve? You write 11 and 11. Take the 11 and 1. So 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. And now multiply 1 and 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So your answer is a 121. You take 12 and 1, so your answer is a 121. Take the another example. We can solve, move further. So take the another example, that is 14 square. So what is the meaning of 14 square? 14 and 14. How can you solve? Firstly, you 14 plus 4. You add 14 plus 4. 14 plus 4 is 18. And after that you have to multiply 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 is 16. So how can you get the answer? You write 18, then inside bracket write 16. So how can you write the answer? Write 6. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is a 9. And write 1. So your answer is a 196. I hope it is clear to you. Take the another example. So you can take the example of a 19. How can you solve the value of 19? 19 square means you have 19 into 19. How can you solve? 19 plus 9. So your answer is 19 plus 9 is 28. So you have to multiply the number 9 into 9. So 9 into 9 is a 81. Then how can you write the answer for 28? Then you have to write 81 inside bracket. So answer is 1, and you have to add 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 6. Or you can say 28 plus 8. 28 plus 8 is a 36. Your answer is a 361. I hope it is clear to you. So you can easily solve these squaring in a minute, in a second. It takes practice. So take the another example. Take the example of a 17 square. How can you solve? 17 plus 7. 17 plus 7 is the 24, and you have to multiply 7 into 7. 7 into 7 is the 49. So your answer 24 inside bracket 49. So you have to write 9 and add 24 plus 4. 24 plus 4 is 28. So your answer is a 289. I hope it is clear to you. So squaring of 11 to 20 can be solved like this. Okay. Now move further. So squaring of number 5 at a unit place. Firstly, you know the square of 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So take another example. Suppose you have to square of 15. 15 into 15 it means. So how can you solve? You write 5 into 5 is 25. आपको पता है 1 के बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आता है? 2 आता है. तो 1 into 2 कितना होगा? 2. So you have to write 2 here. So your final answer is a 225. Take the another example of this, that is 65 square. How can you solve? 5 square is 25 and 6 के बाद क्या आता है? 7. 6 into 7 is a 42. So your answer is 4225. Okay. Now take the another example. How can you solve? You can take the example of 95 square. How can you solve? 5 square is 25. 9 into 10. 9 के बाद 10 आता है तो हमें आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 9 into 10 is 90. So your final answer is 9025. Now take the another example. So we take the 3 digits number. So take an example of 115 square. So 5 square is a 25. After 11 it comes 12. Then how can you solve? अगर आपने previous video देखी होगी तो मैंने आपको बताया है वहाँ पे कि कैसे करते हैं. मैं फिर भी आपको एक बार क्लियर कर देती हूँ कि अगर हमने 2 डिजिट्स की मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करनी होती है. 11 into 12 जैसे अभी हमने वीडियो में किया था. 11 plus 2 is 13 and then you have to write 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2. So your answer is a 132. So how? So your answer is 13,225. Take the another example. इसी तरह से आप कोई भी जो 3 डिजिट्स की स्क्वेयरिंग करनी है जहाँ पे 5 एट यूनिट प्लेस हो, आप इसी वे में उसे सॉल्व कर सकते हो. So I'll take the example of 165. So 5 square is 25. 16 के बाद 17 आता है तो 16 और 17 को मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करना है? So 16 into 17. 16 plus 7 is a 23 and 6 into 7 is a 42. आपको पता है क्या करना है? 2. 23 plus 4 कितना होता है? 27. तो योर आंसर 272. आगे क्या लिखना है? 25. तो आंसर क्या हुआ? 27,225. I hope it is clear to you. So we can proceed further. Now squaring of a 40 to 60. So squaring of 40 to 60. Take an example of 45 square. Then how can you solve? पहले आपको ये चेक करना है ये नंबर 50 में से डिडक्ट कर लो कि 50 से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कितना अवे है. 50 से कितना अवे है? ये 5 अवे है. ठीक है. तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या करना है? सिंपली आपने क्या करना है, जो नंबर आपने ये आंसर कितना आया? आपका आंसर आया 5. तो आपने क्या करना है? 5 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 5 का स्क्वायर होता है 25. ठीक है. आपने सबसे पहले क्या लिखना है? 25. और उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, ये जो आपके पास 5 आया था ये 5 हमने इसमें से माइनस कर देना है. तो आंसर कितना आया? 20. ठीक है. उसके बाद जो आपके पास ये जो हमारे पास वैल्यू आई है 5 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 5 का स्क्वायर 25 होता है. तो आंसर कितना आया? 2025. इसी तरह से हम अगर कोई और नंबर लेते हैं, अगर सपोज वी टेक द नंबर ऑफ 47 स्क्वायर. So how can you solve 47 square? How? 50 से कितना अवे है? 50 से 3 अवे है. तो सबसे पहले 5 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 25. 25 में से कितना माइनस करना है? 3. तो ये आ गया 22. और 3 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 9. तो इसे 09 लिखोगे. तो आंसर कितना आया? 2209. इसी तरह से अगर आपका कोई भी नंबर है जिसकी हमने स्क्वायरिंग 40 to 60 करनी है, आप इसी तरह से कर सकते हो. तो टेक द अनदर एग्जाम्पल. अगर हम एग्जाम्पल लिखते हैं 54 का स्क्वायर, तो ये 50 से हमारा ज़्यादा है. कितना ज़्यादा है? 4. तो 50 + 4 लिखेंगे हम. आपको पता है 5 का स्क्वायर 25 आता है, तो इसको क्या करेंगे? इसमें प्लस कर देंगे. तो आंसर कितना है? 29. और 4 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 16. सो योर आंसर इज 2916 means 2916. So you can take the any other example like this. Take an example of a 59 square. How can you solve? Fifty plus 9, 5 square is 25. Then you have to add 9 here. So answer is 34 and 9 square is 81. So your answer is 3481, or you can say 3481. I hope it is clear to you. So take the another example. I think it is sufficient for you. Take any other example between 40 to 60. So I am taking an example of a 46 here. So how can you solve 50 minus 46? That is 4. So your answer 5 square is 25 minus 4. So you can write 21 and 4 square is 16. So your answer is 2116. So move further. So amazing fact: which bird can fly backward and which is the smallest bird? Hummingbird is the smallest bird and it can fly backward also. So vocabulary word is aplomb. Aplomb means full of assurance and self-confidence. So sentence is: beauty queen carried herself with great aplomb. I hope it is clear to you. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.